This is a video review of the Wyndham Grand Clearwater Beach. This is room 426 on the hotel side. We asked for a room with 2 queen beds and a golf view with balcony. I'll show you that in a second. When you first walk into the right, you have a wardrobe. Then you open the door, the light comes on. It has a safe, some slippers and robes. And then right over here to the right is the bathroom. So it doesn't have a bathtub, but it does have a very nice stand-up shower. I just wanted to add that this hotel is less than 2 months old. It just opened, so it's brand new, and it's the newest one on a hotel on Clearwater Beach. Each room has a 50-inch TV. This is a Samsung LED. We have complimentary waters, 2 of them every day, and you have a refrigerator. You have a Keurig K-Cup maker and with a selection of coffees, some storage area. And then over here to the right you have a nice lamp that has a built-in USB charger, a couple more USB chargers and other plugs up there, and a little sitting area, and of course where to get to the view. This is the reason why we came here and what we wanted. So it's got a nice private balcony. It's pretty large, it's not too bad, only 2 chairs but pretty big. And it's overlooking beautiful Gulf of Mexico. Right there is Pier 60. So we're right on the corner of the building. You can actually see back the Bay Area. See the Hooters over there as well. Beach. It's oceanfront, but there is the small little beach walk and a little road right in front of the beach, or the hotel. But it's very easy and it's pedestrian crossing right there. We go right across to the beach.